Hi, story time. The story is about a tax preparer from South Richmond Hill, New York. Let's call him Bar, was sentenced to 2 years in prison for submitting fraudulent Paycheck Protection Program loan applications. He charged clients a flat fee plus 10% of the loan amount, meaning the larger the loan, the more money he personally pocketed. To maximize payouts, he inflated clients' reportable income and submitted fake tax documents to support the false claims. Insane. Barr ran Aspire Tax and Accounting Services. Yeah, aspiring to go to jail. Targeting sole proprietors, including taxi drivers, truck drivers, and construction workers. Shocker. Many of whom were unaware their loan amounts had been fraudulently inflated beyond legal limits. To substantiate the false claims, Barr fabricated IRS tax forms, altering prior year tax returns to match the manipulated income figures on the PPP applications. You know, every time I read one of these stories, I cannot believe how many people decided it was a good idea to scam all of us during that time, right? I don't understand people. Authorities flagged inconsistencies when comparing clients' actual tax filings to their PPP loan applications. Did this guy not think that they were going to look at that? Leading to a federal investigation. IRS criminal investigations, the Office of Inspector General, and the U.S. Secret Service, wow, they went all out, traced hundreds of fraudulent applications linked to Barr. Many advertised through TikTok promotions where he promised clients quick approvals and little documentation. Really? So people found him on TikTok? Again, I'm amazed at what people do and then what people believe. Don't get your tax preparer off of TikTok, okay? Court documents indicate that some clients were eligible for the loans, but not in the inflated amounts Barr submitted on their behalf. Others were not entitled to receive loans at all, meaning they benefited from fraudulent applications without necessarily knowing the full extent of the fraud. Well, I mean, they got him off of TikTok. Duh. Barr instructed clients to provide social security numbers, bank statements, tax returns, and other personal documents. Then he fabricated IRS forms to support the inflated loan amounts. Others likely knew the reported incomes were exaggerated. How would they not? Look at your tax filings before you file them, or look at things people prepare for you, people. I mean, come on. Others likely knew their reported income was exaggerated. However, case documents do not specify whether any clients were charged or investigated separately. His fraudulent filings resulted in at least $550,000 in losses to the Small Business Administration. Really, for people who are trying to start a business, let's not siphon off the Small Business Association's dollars with frauds. Really? 2 years doesn't seem like enough time in jail. I feel like I'm always saying that. Whatever time in jail these people are getting or fines they are getting does not seem at all enough. It says Barr's sentence reflects ongoing efforts to prosecute loan frauds. These type of loan frauds, ensuring the funds meant for struggling businesses were not abused. Officials continue to monitor fraudulent relief claims. The IRSCI and other agencies pursuing investigations into individuals who exploit the program for personal gain. I think we're going to see so many of these coming out. It's going to be incredibly insane how much we're going to see. Do you think the majority of people are really good people, or do you think the majority of people are scammers or people who will take advantage if an opportunity comes up? I would never do something like that, but yet there are other people who do. So I sure hope that's not the majority of people here in the United States. Anyway, that seems to be all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.